Hello my dear students, my warm welcome to all of you to the maths online lecture. So this is our first maths lecture after Diwali vacation. Now today we are going to start our first chapter of semester 2, that is chapter number 10, equations. In this chapter we are going to learn about equations, what are equations and how to write the equations. Okay, so in your textbook they have given you one example. Okay, they have given you one small conversation between three people, teacher, Sharvari and Shubhankar. So first we will read that. Teacher says, find two numbers and a mathematical operation to get the answer 15. Then afterwards Sharvari says 5 multiplied by 3 gives 15 and 45 divided by 3 also gives 15. Okay, read it carefully what they have given. 5 multiplied by 3 gives 15, means 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Similarly, if we divide 45 by 3, it will also give you the answer 15. Understood? See. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So we got the quotient as 15, means we got the answer 15. Okay. Now, afterwards, Shubhankar says that 17 minus 2 gives 15. 17 subtracted by 2, we will get the answer 15. Okay. Similarly, 5 added to 10 means 5 plus 10 or 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. So here you can see there are 4 different types of mathematical operations used here. First is multiplication, second is division, third is subtraction, and the last is addition. So using all these different mathematical operations, we are getting the same result, that is same answer, 15. Okay. So in such case, all the expressions gives you same answer, that is 15. So you can write 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45 divided by 3. Or you can write 17 minus 2 is equal to, or you can write 17 minus 2 is equal to 10 plus 5. Okay. Or 45 divided by 3 is equal to 10 plus 5. Or 45 divided by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2. Okay. So they have just used the different mathematical operations, but all the expressions gives you the same answer, that is 15. Okay. So that is why we can write it as 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45 divided by 3. Okay, means both these equations gives you the same answer. Okay, that is why we have written this them in this form. Okay, understood? So these are called as equations. Okay, these are called as equations. Equation means nothing but the result of the same result, the expressions which gives you the same result. Okay, let it be the their mathematical operations different. Okay, but they gives you the same answer. So that is why they are called as equation. Okay, they gives you an expression of equality. That is why they are called as equations. Understood? Okay. So let us read what teacher says? Very good. We see that the operations 5 multiplied by 3 and 17 minus 2 both give the same result. We write this as 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2. So in mathematics, the sign of equality is shown using the symbol of equal to. Okay, this symbol shows that the numbers on both its sides are equal. Okay, means 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2. So 5 multiplied by 3, 50. 17 minus 2 will also gives you 50. So this sign is used to show that both the expressions gives you the same number, that is equal number. That is why here equal to sign is used. Okay. So afterwards, they may be result the different operations on the left and the right hand side. Such an expression of equality is called equation. Okay. So the operations, mathematical operations may be different, but the result given by them will be same, that is equal. That is why they are called as equation. So afterwards, Sharvari says, can we also write the equation 17 minus 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3? Yes, you can write it as 17 minus 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. You can write it in this way also. Okay, understood? So teacher says, yes, the equation is right too. If you write a new equation simply by exchanging the two sides of an equation, then the new equation is also correct. Okay, that is balanced. You have to just see that whether both the sides are giving you the same result. Okay. So here, see, I have given you the diagram of weighing scale. What they have given, if there are two equal weights in both pans of a weighing scale, then the scale is balanced. Okay, such balanced scale is like an equation. So you might have seen the weighing scale in the in some grocery shop or in some marketplace. Okay, if weight on both the weighing pans are same, then the weighing scale is balanced. Okay, understood? So equation is just like same as the weighing scale. Okay, so now we will be starting our first practice set of this lesson, that is practice set 26. Okay, it is very small practice set. We can complete it by today itself. Let us read the question. Different mathematical operations are given in the two rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation and make equations. Okay, so first what they have asked in this question, see here in this practice set they have given you different mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So first we need to find out the answer of that expressions or that operations, and afterwards we need to make the equation. Okay, so first we will find out the answer. The first expression is 16 divided by 2. Now if we divide 16 by 2, how many is a 16? 2, 8 is a 16. Okay, so we got the answer 8. So 16 divided by 2, 8. Got it? Then the second expression is 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10. We got the answer 10. Then the third is 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. Next is 4, 72 divided by 3. Let us see by dividing it, 72 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 4s are 12. So we got the answer 24. So 72 divided by 3, we got answer 24. Okay. Then fifth, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. Sixth, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, sorry, 8 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Now, seventh, 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10, we will get the answer 9. 8. 10 minus 2, 8. Then 9. 37 minus 27, 10. 37 minus 27, 10. And the last, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 30. So, in this way, we have written all the answers of the given expressions. Okay. Now, you have to check, you have to see that which expressions gives you the same answer, that is same result. Now, 16 divided by 2, we got the answer 8. Similarly, 10 minus 2 also gives you the answer 8. So, therefore, 16 divided by 2 and 10 minus 2 are equations. See, they both give the same answer 8. So, our equation will be 16 divided by 2 is equal to 10 minus 2. 16 divided by 2 also 8, 10 minus 2 also 8. Okay. So, our first equation will be 16 divided by 2 equal to 10 minus 2. Okay. Now, second, 5 multiplied by 2, 10. We got the answer 10. Similarly, see, 37 minus 27 also gives you the answer 10. So, therefore, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 37 minus 27. This is our second equation. Okay. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 37 minus 27. Now, the third, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 9 plus 4, we got the answer 13. Now, similarly here, 6 plus 7 will also give you the answer 13. So, therefore, 9 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 7. Okay? Understood? 9 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 7. Okay? This is our third equation. Now the fourth one. 72 divided by 3 gives you the answer 24. Similarly, 8 multiplied by 3 also 24. So therefore, 72 divided by 3 is equal to 8 into 3. Okay, this is our fourth equation. And the last, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Similarly, 19 minus 10 also gives you the same answer, that is 9. So therefore, 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 19 minus 10. Both gives you same values. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 19 minus 10. Okay. So we got total, there are total 10 expressions and we got the 5 equations. Okay, based on that 10 expressions. Okay, you have to do nothing. This is very simple. You have to just, first of all, you have to just find out the answers of the given expression and then you have to compare. You have to see that which equation or which expression gives you the same value, the same result. Then you have to make the equation of expressions which gives you the same value. Okay. So in this way, you have to solve this practice set number 26. Okay. So today we will stop here. In the next lecture, we will be seeing the next concept of this lesson, that is what is solution, what is variable, all such things. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.